How do I clean dust from a computer? As computers become faster and generate more heat, it gets more important to have good ventilation, but that also increases the amount of dust sticking to the components of the computer. It's of course better to make sure the computer never gets dusty by vacuum cleaning around it, not in it, frequently. But what to do if it's already too late? I've heard that vacuum cleaning the computer itself is very bad, since it can cause static electricity that hurts the computer. So, does anyone have any tips for how to remove dust from your computer?
I personally use canned air, aka difluoroethane. Just make sure you don't let the blades of the fan spin while you are spraying the canned air, as it may damage something.
Here's a nifty little tool that allows you to blow air, similar to canned air, but through use of manual labor. Unlimited source of air, and gets you a little bit of exercise as well. Smile.
There are a few solutions to the problem of a dusty computer. Canned/compressed air. This is the most popular solution. Handheld vacuum cleaner. Little chance of this working if you don't open up your computer's case. Manual, handheld air pump. Obviously, a bit more tedious than the other two. However, it doesn't ever run out of air, and it doesn't need a battery or a cord. Keep in mind, fan blades inside of the computer shouldn't be allowed to spin while you're cleaning. This could cause damage. Also, you'll get your computer the cleanest if you open the case and get really close to the dusty parts. A few years of dust can encase the boards, cards, and other hardware in there. If you use a blower, like canned air, rather than a sucker, like a vacuum, be sure to use it in a well-ventilated place. You may want to consider even doing it outdoors. Otherwise, you'll just blow the dust into the computer's own environment, and it will become dusty again more quickly.
Although it might not be the safest option, I just open the computer up and get the vacuum cleaner and suck all the dust up. I have never had any problems with that.